We all try our best to keep gear stable while shooting, but sometimes it's out of our hands and the footage still ends up a little bumpy. We get it, trust me. That's why we came up with the Video Stabilization tool, a free, automated solution to bumpy footage. So get those clips out of the recycle bin and into CapCut Online's quick video stabilization tool right now. First, open CapCut.com and in Magic Tools, find Video Stabilization. Upload the clip you'd like to stabilize. You can upload from your device or from the cloud. And that's all. The AI will do the rest for you. Preview the results. And if satisfied, you can export directly with no hidden costs. The bar on the right allows you to share directly to TikTok Ads Manager, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Or of course, you can download it to your device. If you want to jazz it up, choose Go Back to Edit. Or if you want to start a new project, you can press here and it'll lead you back to the uploading page. But this time, we'll pick Go Back to Edit. You'll be taken into our video editor where you can add music, text, effects, and stickers. Handy, right? If you've already started a project and imported the video, you can open the Basic tab and turn on the Video Stabilization tool manually. You don't have to exit out of editing to individually correct your content. From bumpy to smooth and clean in no time, with CapCut Online, no video is beyond saving. Thanks for watching! If you like this series, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel and click to watch more.